Welcome back to lesson 3.4. We're going to do percent applications, basically. How are we going to use percents in life? So, our target for the day is I can solve problems involving discounts, tips, and tax. Vocab, a discount. A discount is the amount of money subtracted from the original price of an item to give you the sale price. A discount is based on a certain percent off the original price of the item. We've all seen stores with a 20% off, or 30% off, or 15% off, 10% off. What does that actually mean, and how do we calculate that while we're at the store? Sales tax is the amount added to the cost of an item. The amount added is the percent of the original amount as determined by a state, county, or city. We in Oregon are one of, I think, 2 states. I don't know. Actually, Oregon does not have a sales tax. Oregon has income tax, which is different. But if you go to Washington or California, you'll find yourself paying more for an item than you thought because of sales tax. So let's go ahead and get started with example 1. Anna ordered a new vacuum cleaner with an original price of $98. The vacuum cleaner was on sale for 20% off. So what was the value of the discount? So how much was she not paying of the original price? First, let's write out this problem. 20% of 98 is, that's what we're trying to find out. How much is she, what is the value of the discount? How much is she getting off? 20% of 98 is, and we know how to rewrite that. Let's change the math symbols and words into an actual math equation. First, let's change the percent to a decimal, the of to multiply, and then is to equals. 20% we know boils down to 2/10, or 0.2 times 98 equals what? That math we know how to do. Solve for our answer. When we multiply 98 by 0.2, we get 19.6, or $19.60. Remembering to keep your units. In this case, we're dealing with money, so money should stay the same. Example 1 continued. What was the sale price of that vacuum cleaner? So we know how much she got off. So how much did she actually spend? The value of the discount was $19.60 when she ordered the vacuum cleaner, which means that this amount can be subtracted from the original price to find the new price, or the sale price as we call it. $19.60 is the discount. So let's write our subtraction problem so we can solve. 98 minus 1960, harken back to September, October when we did subtracting decimals, and we get $78.40 as the price of that vacuum cleaner. Not bad, depending on the vacuum cleaner, I suppose. Of course, when you're in a store, you will not necessarily want to pull out your calculator for this sort of thing. So 20% is twice 10%, and $98 is about $100. So 20% of 100 is about $20. So you could estimate that he was going to pay about $80 in this case. For those of you who want to do some quick mental math, that's a good estimate to check and see if your answer is correct. If you want the exact numbers, then you'll have to do the actual math.